Welcome to Crafternoon. I'm Robin and I work at the Northwest Reno Library. Next week marks the start of a very special holiday in the Islamic calendar, Ramadan. Ramadan commemorates the moment when the first chapters of the Quran, Islam's sacred text, were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. Ramadan is celebrated by Muslims across the world and starts on a different date each year. During Ramadan, Muslims fast. This means they do not eat or drink anything from dawn until dusk. Muslims are also encouraged to spend time with their family, read the Quran, and be charitable. In celebration for today's craft, we will be making fanous Ramadan, a decorative Egyptian lantern which now brightens the homes of Muslims across the world during this holy month. Let's take a look. Well, there you have it, our very own fanous. Remember to wish all our Muslim neighbors a happy Ramadan with the greeting Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you for joining me for this Crafternoon. If you like that craft, be sure to take a look at our Washoe County Library website or Facebook page for more amazing craft or STEAM project ideas. To all our fasting patrons, have a generous Ramadan and a joyous Eid. Until next time, goodbye.